Hey folks, what we got here is LED bulbs from Auxito. All right, these are the sizes that they have. Fits most cars. Okay, you can go on their website and you can figure it out exactly which ones will work for your car. They come in a nice little solid box. Okay, also inside they give you some nice white gloves. Right, the gloves are used so that you don't touch the actual bulbs itself, because supposedly the oil on your fingers when they touch the bulbs will create a little bit of a hot spot, and then they will kind of burn the bulb out. So you don't want to burn the bulbs out or the LEDs before the time is due for them to just wear out. All right, so there's some nice gloves. There's instructions here with the user manual. And these are your bulbs right there. See that? They're nice. They come nicely packaged. They're not going to bounce around. All right. Those are the bulbs there that you don't want to touch. This over here, you can touch it. It's okay. This is the housing. All right. Like most bulbs that go into the headlights, they're going to have a plug. And then this is going to be a lefty-loosey and a righty-tighty. All right. You line up the three little prongs there. You see? 1, 2, 3. They can only go one way, and that's the way you're going to install them. Okay, I'm going to show you the car that I'm going to install these on. While it's still light out, let's see if we can turn on the headlights. Let's go check it out. All right, so before we install the new LED bulbs, I'm going to wait till it gets darker, and I'm going to show you the reflection at night, the difference in brightness between them, okay? Now, these bulbs over here, as you can tell, it's they just twist off with a plug. Let me show you this one in the back. This is the passenger side. All right, it'll be that one right there. Just got to unplug it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That bulb would spin right out. Okay, that's the one on the outside, and that is your low beam. All right. If you come over to this side, you got more stuff in the way. All right. So you have your air cleaner box. You have your power steering reservoir, which is attached to your coolant reservoir. So it doesn't look like this slides up, because if this comes out, it'll probably be easy to get to it, because it is on the outside. So it's hard to tell from here, but you can see the little blue little plug right there. That's where it is. So it's this little 2x2 space, 2 inches by 2 inch space is where you have to get into. But we're gonna have to take this air cleaner off in order to get to it. That'll be the best way. Like I said, it's right there, the one with the little blue tab on it, if you can see. All right, that's the low beam one. That's the one that's going to give us a little bit of problem to get to in this 30-degree weather, because I'm already frozen already. All right, so I'm going to wait till it gets dark. I'm going to turn it on at night. I'm going to see what it looks like. All right. Right now you can't really tell the difference, but you can see most bulbs, if they're not LEDs, they're gonna have like a little bit of a yellow tint to it. That's like this flashlight here is LED, and you notice that it's almost white. So that's what we're gonna look for when we put the LEDs in. All right. Can't wait. Let's wait until it gets dark. Then I'll show you what it looks like. And then we'll install the bulbs. Wait till it gets dark again, because we're going to do the bulbs at night. We'll do the bulbs during the daytime. We'll come back, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, let's wait till dark. Let's go. All right, so it's nighttime. Let's go check out the original headlights. And that's what they look like. All right, we started off with brand new clean lenses. Okay. So they're not yellowed out or anything like that. So we're not biased on anything, but this is the regular. Okay, if you notice, has a nice little yellow tint to them. Okay, that's what the original bulbs are. When you stand far away, you can see. That's what an original factory bulb would look like. if you went to the regular store and bought it and replaced it. Okay? We're gonna go and we're gonna install the new LED lights from this company. And this company has all the bulbs that you need for almost every car that you have. Okay, you look it up at their website and they'll send them to you. All right, you're buying from them. Tell me you saw it on this YouTube. All right, now we're gonna go and wait till the morning and we're gonna install the new LEDs. All right, you know what I did in this 30-degree weather? I changed that one bulb, the easiest one, the one on the passenger side. All right, let's turn on the headlights and you're gonna see the difference. Ready? Here we go. Those are the parking lights. That's the headlights. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Look at the difference, okay? If you look to the far left, in that little corner over there, you can see a little bit of the yellow because the left headlight is still yellow. But look at the brightness of the LEDs. All right? Let's show you the front. You can even see the reflection off the grass. See the difference here? Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Look how bright that is. That's the difference. Okay. Difference between that one and the original bulbs that you get from the factory. I'm going to step back a little bit. I'm going to show you what it looks like from here. Not only is it brighter, it actually makes the car look better. Doesn't look so old, right? Look at that. Look at the difference. It looks more like a modern car. Amazing, right? Makes the car look more modern. So, yes. Tomorrow we're going to install the other one. And I'm going to give you a full view of nighttime. And see what it looks like when it's all set up as a set. Okay? But that's it. That's just a little sneak preview until tomorrow. All right. We'll see you then. But a big difference, right? Look at that. Big, big difference. Alrighty. Let's go. Alright, so I'm back inside in a nice warm house. Just want to show you the difference. Yes, these are the lights from Auxito. Okay? Don't forget, they have a 2-year warranty. Make sure you register it. 2-year warranty. They'll replace it. Okay, but I want to show you. See, this is the original ones. Okay. I guess these are considered halogens. Okay, they're very hot to the touch. You don't not want to touch those bulbs. And the same thing with this one. You do not want to touch the LEDs. But check this out. They also have a fan right there. See that? It's a little cooling fan. It spins. So when you have the lights on, it spins and cools off this whole contraption over here. Keeps everything nice and cool. It's pretty good. All right. So like I said, you want to put the whole set on, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like all lit up. I already showed you what half of it looks like. Can you imagine what they both are on? What it's going to look like at night when you drive? Can't beat it. Great. Okay. In the comments, I'm going to attach the website to where you can get your set, and you'll be on your way. All right. Can't wait till tomorrow. Let's do it. All right. Headlights from Auxito. Headlight bulbs. All right, they're in. I'm going to show it to you as we pan out. All right, nice bright halogen lights. What do you think? Looks beautiful. Can't wait till the nighttime to light them up for you, so you get an idea what they look like. All right. If you want to know how I installed the bulbs, I have that on a separate channel, and I'll attach that to the comments. Okay. All right. Let's wait for nighttime. All right, here we are. It's nighttime. So that means we're going to turn on the headlights and check them out. Let's see. Let's close this door. Reach in. Okay, You guys ready for the reveal? Here we go. Parking lights. Headlights. Whoa, look at that. Nice and bright. Nice and bright. There you go. Remember all those cars that you see driving that has the big bright white lights on you? I said, well, it's your turn now to flip the switch. So now you're going to be the one with the nice bright lights. What's that old saying? If you can't beat them, join them. All right? Nice and bright, people. Nice and bright. Let's show it again in the front. There you go. Lights it up pretty good, right? I'm going to try to show you a comparison between the old ones and the new ones. All right? I'm going to try to flash a quick little picture of and compare both of them. But that's it. All right? Beautiful lights made by Auxito. I'm going to show you the website in the comments so you can order from them. All right? Mention that you saw it on my YouTube video. All right? That's it. Thanks for watching. It's better to drive at night now when you can light up the whole road. Amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.